Welcome back, patrons, Knightsmith, family, friends, all of you. Today is Patron Appreciation Day, and it's being put on by Patreon. It's very simple. I tell you guys why I appreciate you, and it's great that this is in the month of November, because, well, you know, Thanksgiving's next week. This week, wow, Thanksgiving's this week. And I know I put it up, you know, a big thank you the other day, but let's get to the video, I guess. You helped me go to VidCon, which was awesome. I mean, just meeting all the other creators was incredible, not to mention the awesome learning experience that it was. And I really can't say thank you enough. You guys really did help me live out one of my dreams. And projects galore, like projects you wouldn't even imagine. I didn't even think I'd be able to do as many projects this year as I was able to, and it's all thanks to you guys. You help support me. Your contributions helped me buy more materials than I would have been able to just by myself. And with all this support, I've been able to expand my channel. I've been able to start the Manliness Mondays. I've been able to start the Philosophy channel. I've been able to take the time and do a morning show for all of you guys. And that's great. You guys are helping me expand and grow. And not only that, you guys bought the materials for a lot of things, for a lot of my projects. And you've helped me upgrade my equipment so much. I just couldn't have done it without you. So to sum it up, guys, thank you. We have a bright future ahead of us, and I can't imagine doing this without you. You have all contributed so much, and I am so thankful. And for all of you who are watching this that aren't currently Patreon members, you can go to patreon.com/Knightsmith and sign up. Help support the channel. Help me achieve my dreams and become part of my family. Become part of the Knightsmith family. To wrap it up, thank you. Thank you so much. And I can't wait to see what this future holds for us, because it's bright. It's going upwards. It's going upwards and onwards to greater and better things. In the words of Stan Lee, Excelsior. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. And thank you for helping make this world better, one kerf at a time. And I'll see you later.